Hello, welcome to my second vlog. I'm super happy to be back with the second vlog. I just came to Brandenburg. Brandenburg is 1 hour far away from Berlin. I feel like I'm really in the middle of the nature. There are so many trees, bird voices. I'm surrounded with beautiful flowers. It's just making me feel really calm down because previous weeks were a little bit stressful for me. I was going for markets. I was releasing also a pattern. In the first vlog, I'm also mentioning about it. And talking with testers, improving the pattern. All these steps were a little bit too much for me. That's why I wanted to have a small break. But not break from the crocheting, of course. I just came for crocheting here. There is like a small water, like a small lake, and bird sounds. I don't know whether you hear. There is no human sound or no car sound, just trees, flowers and me. It feels really good. I think I really need this kind of slow moments in my life. After crocheting, I started to also think too much in my mind because you wanna be productive, you wanna really bring out all the ideas that are coming to your mind, but you cannot turn every idea into a crochet design or into any design. Like, you cannot reflect all the ideas to outside. It's just not possible. And when I realized that it's not possible, I felt a little bit more chill because I was always feeling like there's something coming to my mind. If I'm not showing it in the designs, or if I don't use this color combination that I want, I'm not gonna be productive or I'm not gonna be successful. There was this kind of voice in my mind. I don't know whether you feel the same sometimes in your daily life with your work. When I realized that you cannot reflect all your ideas into your designs, I felt much more chill. I just finished crocheting the top and I wanted to also show you. This is how it looks. I really loved. I'm on my way to Altemünze. My friend Charlotte has a studio there and I will just go for a little shooting. See you! We are done.
Yay. Yeah. Do you want me to like wear something as well for you?
Of course, it would be really nice. We are just done with the shooting and Charlotte got me these flowers. It's so cute. My hair looks really crazy right now. I found this cute necklace. And it is such a great piece as a necklace, but I thought about creating something with it. You might remember that I was working on this kind of hats last year. I call it jellyfish hat, and I was working with the smile pearls. I wanted to recreate it And as you see, there are some like hairs I created. And now what I wanna do is I wanna put these pearls here and I wanna see how it looks. It's like a blue also, and these ones are giving me a little bit of summer vibe. I wanted to connect them together. Let's see how it will look. I might create a pattern, like a written pattern from this hat, because last year after I shared the yellow hat, a lot of people were asking me whether I have any pattern for it, but I was just creating freehand like I'm doing right now. Maybe this time I can save the process, like every step, and create a pattern, like I write a pattern out of it. Let's see. I'm not promising, but there might be a pattern in the future. Good morning, it's Saturday and I will sell in an art market today. I'm super excited. It's gonna be my second art market and I really like this idea that all the artists coming, photographers, crocheters, other fashion designers, and selling their stuff in one market. It's really so interesting concept because you can network with other people, you can see different art designs, like people are kind of exhibiting their projects there. That's why I'm really super hyped for it. Before I was attending another market, it was like with over 20 artists and it was happening 2 days. But today it will happen in a pizza shop which has a really cool interior design. Name of the place is Moneta Berlin. They also reached out to me through Instagram. We had a common friend with the person who's organizing this event. So this person recommended me for them. So they reached out to me. I was like, yeah, why not? Let's just try. I will use this trolley and I put already some of my stuff, but I think it will not be enough because it's a little bit small. I will need probably another backpack to put this stuff. I just wanted to show you, I made like this small price tags so that people can know how much they cost. Now I will pack everything and go to the market. I just get back to home. I really enjoyed so much. It was an amazing day. Like the whole market was really cool. I like the vibe of the other artists too. Like I was connecting with so many different people, with the musicians, with the tattoo artists. There was a girl who was selling rings, like I also added them. And I also had some friends, like one friend of mine was painting. He's painting with the knife. He's so talented. Also, another friend of me had a brand, W1P Studio. With them, I also had little shooting. It was just feeling so good to be surrounded by good people. Also, getting feedback from people, like they are commenting on your piece and they are showing so much love. This feeling is really amazing. I think that's what I like most about what I'm doing. So it was all in all really good day. But now I need to rest.